Welcome to the first Robotics Competition New York and Quebec Regions Awards Show, part of the first Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season. I'm Beryl from New York. Salut, Carl, à Montréal.
Hey Beryl, so nice to co-host this show with you today. Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue au gala de remise de prix de la compétition de Robotics First pour les régions de New York et du Québec. Ceci clôture la saison 2021 First Game Changers, powered by Star Wars, Force for Change. En réponse à une année difficile et complexe, First a proposé une saison originale comportant des défis techniques et des prix traditionnels. L'annonce des gagnants se fait régionalement, même si certains aspects de la compétition ont été vécus à l'échelle mondiale. Les régions de New York et du Québec sont regroupées. C'est pourquoi nous sommes ici aujourd'hui.
In response to a difficult and challenging year, First has pivoted to a season of technical challenges, as well as the traditional submitted awards. It was determined that the best way to announce the winners of these awards was through local awards shows, which is why we are here today. Because of the number of teams participating, New York and Quebec regions were combined.
Nous tenons à féliciter toutes les équipes qui ont participé cette saison et nous célébrerons les équipes gagnantes des régions de New York et du Québec, peu importe le groupe dans lequel elles ont concouru.
First, we would like to congratulate all of the teams that did compete. We will celebrate all of the winners from the New York and Quebec regions, no matter which specific group they competed in. The agenda for today's program will include some material from First, some recognition of our sponsors, and then discussions of the various awards and announcement of the winners.
Ce gala comprendra des capsules provenant de First, une certaine reconnaissance de nos partenaires, puis la présentation de divers gagnants des prix.
Now let's hear from First Robotics Competition Director, Frank Merrick.
Hello, First Robotics Competition teams. My name is Frank Merrick. I'm the director of FRC, and welcome to your awards show. What a crazy season 2021 was, and I, for one, am fingers crossed, hoping we can get together again in person for official events in 2022. But in the meantime, congratulations to all the award winners and everyone who participated this year. Have a great show.
Merci Frank. On a effectivement hâte de dévoiler les équipes qui se sont démarquées cette saison. Et maintenant, quelques mots à propos de nos partenaires.
And now, here to recognize the first supporters for the first Game Changers powered by Star Wars Force for Change season is Blair from First Headquarters.
Every year, First and you benefit from the support of hundreds of generous sponsors, suppliers, scholarship providers, and alliances. We deeply appreciate their commitment and dedication and are especially grateful during this challenging season. A big thanks to everyone who makes First, first.
La région combinée de New York et du Québec est composée de 4 régions FIRST qui soutiennent leur équipe et organisent généralement leur propre tournoi en personne. Chacune de ces régions distinctes a ses propres partenaires qui lui permettent d'offrir les programmes FIRST.
This combined New York-Quebec region is made up of 4 separate regions that support their teams and typically put on their own FIRST robotics competitions, including 7 unique regional events. While it is impossible to thank all of our regional sponsors to the degree we would like to, we would at least like to acknowledge them here.
Merci à tous nos supporters. C'est grâce à vous que les jeunes peuvent vivre l'expérience FIRST année après année. Et les jeunes, saviez-vous que plusieurs de nos partenaires peuvent même vous offrir d'excellentes opportunités d'avenir?
Many companies are interested in hiring FIRST students and alumni as interns and employees. So please be sure to share your FIRST experience in both your resume and in interviews. And finally, before we start announcing the awards, we have one more special guest with a quick shout-out.
Voici un invité spécial que tout le monde aimerait revoir, le fondateur de FIRST, M. Dean Kamen.
As I do at the end of every season, I'd like to start by thanking the parents, the mentors, the teachers, the sponsors for helping give these kids this opportunity to have the hardest fun they'll ever have. I am aware each year of how much work it takes, how much grit it takes, but you always surpass our expectations. Congratulations to everybody, and let's celebrate the season we just finished, and I'll see you all next year when we make it even more exciting.
Cette saison, FIRST a pensé qu'il pourrait être intéressant de vous faire découvrir ce qu'implique la conception d'un jeu de robotique. Les idées de finalistes inspireront les futurs défis de la compétition.
For this unique season, FIRST thought it might be fun to experience what was involved in designing a robotics game. Additionally, we will be looking at turning the designs of the finalists into actual future games. The Rookie Design Award celebrates a rookie team's outstanding success in the Game Design Challenge.
Le prix Conception des recrues célèbre le succès exceptionnel d'une équipe recrue dans le cadre du défi de conception de jeu.
With their field drawing as their only visual, a strong presentation helped judges dig through their questions. Not bad for a team that started their debut season using Discord chats. The Rookie Design Award goes to Team 8603, the Discord Droids.
Notre prochain prix est le prix de la créativité parrainé par Rockwell Automation. Voici un mot de ce partenaire FIRST de longue date.
Hi, I'm Javion Mosley, FIRST alum and current mentor and now engineering intern at Rock Automation. I'm working on 3D modelings, metal fabrication, as well as managing various die-cast operations. Congratulations on all your accomplishments during this unique season. I'd like to give a shout out to the Creativity Award winners who exemplify the spirit of FIRST programs using science and technology, but using critical thinking and problem-solving skills for the win.
This award celebrates creativity that enhances the overall game design concept.
Le prix de la créativité, parrainé par Rockwell Automation, célèbre la créativité améliorant le concept global du jeu.
This team is on a mission to save a crew lost at sea. Through teamwork, they repaired damage, re-energized the vessel, and filtered through ideas to make their game the best it can be. Anchors away, unchain the prop, and escape the watery abyss. The Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation, goes to Team 7272 Envirobots. Move over for this team. They integrated timed mechanics, community outreach, and nutritional facts into the chores of this fun game. The Red Barns are full of creativity. The Creativity Award goes to Team 578, R-Cubed, Red Raider Robotics. Ahoy, mateys! These wildcats designed a pirate-themed game with unique human-robot interaction, inspired by a wooden transport ship from the 1600s. Watch out for flying cannonballs in the game Ocean Escape. The Creativity Award goes to Team 2228, Cougar Tech. Get ready for the carnival to come to town. A well-rounded game with a unique resettable scoring mechanism keeps the reward tickets flowing. They are a force to be reckoned with. The Creativity Award goes to Team 2716, Ranger Force, and their game, Carnival Craze. While their game was certainly a rumble in the jungle, these budding young scientists weren't monkeying around. To save the forest, they might just slip on a banana peel or two. The Creativity Award, sponsored by Rockwell Automation, goes to Team 353, Pobots. The Engineering Design Award celebrates the team that demonstrates sound engineering in the design process.
Le prix Conception en ingénierie rend hommage à l'équipe qui fait preuve de rigueur ingénierique dans son processus de conception.
This multifaceted game uses one simple game piece. They took engineering to multiple quarters with field and scoring scenarios for all levels of play. When the referees had to make a close call, this team got the touchdown. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 1551, the Grapes of Wrath. Taking us back in time, like the Earth, this field changes. These prehistoric bulls engineered their way back home. The Engineering Award goes to Team 810, the Mechanical Bulls. Mask up your robots and eradicate the mystery virus. This team used field graphics and integrated system of elements to create a well-engineered, realistic game. This reptilian team took a bite out of the competition. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 7668, Gatorbots. This team came up with a gem. They designed a well-thought game that could be considered gold standard. Get ready to raise the victory flag. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 3044, Team 0XB4. Even during a cyclone, the judges had no need for a crow's nest to see how much of a treasure this game design is. With a 3D printed field mock-up and an impressive design process, these salty bulldogs came prepared to set sail. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 7759, Bulldog Bites. Through continuous iteration, and even using Minecraft for prototyping at one point, we know their game won't end up being a relic. The students on this team have certainly proven that they are some of the finest cadets in FIRST. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 6868, Cadet Robotics. This team's iterative design process brought them from sketches to complex fields and back again to a playable, realistic game. The team's design of a low to high value game components kept the game engaging. Their well-planned game, scoring, and strategy analysis are just the right alloy to make an enjoyable game. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 2638, Rebel Robotics. This team went through an extensive design process, narrowing down game ideas and improving the designs throughout the entire workflow, a well-run operation. These students exemplified collecting and packaging their hard work to be delivered to the judges. Through teamwork, they were able to elevate their game concept to serve as a lasting memorial to FIRST. The Engineering Design Award goes to Team 1518, Raider Robotics, for their game FIRST Operation Vaccine.
Le prix de l'image en honneur de Jack Kamen célèbre l'attractivité technique et l'intégration esthétique visuelle exceptionnelle du robot à l'apparence de l'équipe.
The Imagery Award, in honor of Jack Kamen, celebrates attractiveness in engineering and outstanding visual aesthetic integration from the machine to the team appearance.
Cette équipe était en feu. Alors qu'elle visait l'or, leur présentation passionnante et bien répétée nous a gardés immobiles quand ils nous ont montré leur concept de jeu magistral. Ces kids se sont hissés vers la victoire avec le prix de l'image. Le prix de l'image va à l'équipe 3990, Tech for Kids.
The judges were impressed with the overall game pieces and construction parts in a city aesthetic. From the unique use of the chain element, crane, cargo elevators, and human players on a bridge over the field, everything fits together. Two special things that stood out were the creation of their own game logo and a 30-year first anniversary wall just like a real city. The Imagery Award in honor of Jack Kamen goes to Team 3950, Robo Gym Robotics. The Concept Award celebrates a team that creates an interesting, realistic game concept.
Le prix du concept récompense l'équipe qui crée un concept de jeu intéressant et réaliste.
When FIRST needed their help to come up with a new game, this team sprang into action. They really took the time to consider how to use FIRST core values in a unique way in their game. By creating this game, this team certainly ensured that FIRST will exist in the past, present, and future. The Concept Award goes to Team 1511, Rolling Thunder.
Une combinaison unique d'intrigue, d'aventure et de défis, ce concept gagnant permettra aux équipes de courir jusqu'au fil d'arrivée, par-dessus, sous et à travers divers obstacles. Les équipes peuvent marquer des points de plusieurs façons dans ce jeu, mais l'objectif ne restera pas au même niveau à chaque match. Alors faites attention. Assurez-vous de désactiver le système d'alarme et récupérer les trésors cachés. Le prix du concept va à l'équipe 6622 Stan Robotics pour leur jeu Timeless Temple.
In this jungle, harvesters work to benefit from the fruits of their labor. Vines made of chains challenge adventurous teams from above, while logs can trip up robots from below. This team truly cracked the coconut of game design. The Concept Award goes to Team 2791, Shaker Robotics.
This team has fun with their game in any condition, incorporating different playing elements, strategies, changing obstacles, and chain interactions create a variety of game solutions. This unique and entertaining game can be played in any climate. The Concept Award goes to Team 296, Northern Nights. Le prix du concepteur célèbre le succès exceptionnel d'une équipe dans le cadre du défi de conception de jeu.
The Designers Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the Game Design Challenge. This team's game includes the interplay of offense and defense, as well as cooperation. Thematically, it brings the virtual into the realm of strategic robot gameplay. With a bit of fun, your opponent becomes your ally as you secure that ranking point and defeat that hacker. The Design Award goes to Team 870, Team Rice. From their development process to their unique risk-reward game strategy, this team was thorough in the creation of their game. With their detailed game description and amazing video, this team took center stage as they remixed the rhythm of game design. The Designers Award goes to Team 694, Pulse, for their game Rhythm Remix.
Près de 200 collèges et universités offrent plus de 80 millions de dollars de bourses d'études spécifiquement aux participants et aux anciens participants de FIRST dans le cadre du programme de bourse FIRST. Comme vous le savez, le défi de l'année dernière a été réintroduit cette saison avec quelques modifications mineures. Étant donné que les équipes ne pouvaient pas concourir en personne, nous avons proposé des défis d'habileté et des prix techniques similaires à ceux décernés lors des tournois traditionnels.
As you all know, last year's game was never competed, so we brought it back this year with some minor changes. Since the robots could not compete directly, we offered skills challenges and technical awards similar to what we would award during our live competitions. We will announce those awards now.
Notre prochain prix est le prix de l'autonomie parrainé par Ford.
Hi, I'm Laura Steinholtz from Team 1522 in Mechanicsville, Virginia, and today I work as an aerodynamics engineer at Ford Motor Company. We created the Autonomous Award because we believe that advancements in robotics and automation are going to have a profound and positive impact for our vehicles and for society. Underscoring this belief, we recently opened the Ford Robotics building at the University of Michigan, where our researchers will work alongside students and faculty to make this future a reality. It's so exciting to see how this award has inspired teams to go further in their automation, and we'd like to congratulate all the winners of the 2021 Autonomous Award.
This award celebrates the team that has demonstrated consistent, reliable, high-performance robot operation during autonomously managed actions. Evaluation is based on the robot's ability to sense its surroundings, position itself or onboard mechanisms appropriately, and execute tasks.
Le prix de l'autonomie parrainé par Ford rend hommage à l'équipe qui a démontré un fonctionnement cohérent, fiable et performant du robot lors d'opérations autonomes. L'évaluation est basée sur la capacité du robot à détecter son environnement, à se positionner ou à positionner des mécanismes de manière appropriée et à exécuter des tâches.
This team leads the herd in innovative software design. Their robot is accurate, reliable, and fast thanks to their software design and autonomous excellence. The Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford, goes to Team 2791, Shaker Robotics. This team demonstrated an autonomous routine that exhibited creativity in solving problems for a maximum scoring opportunity. This robot knew the lay of the land, found its path and apprehended wayward power cells hiding under the generator shield, and firmly delivered them into the hexagon. A successful trench run pursued 5 or more suspects, and from a protected position transferred custody to the power port. The Autonomous Award, sponsored by Ford, goes to Team 3015, Ranger Robotics.
Cette équipe nous a montré comment alléger la pression sur le pilote grâce à son système autonome. En entraînant le robot à rechercher des balles, ils se sont rapidement engagés sur la bonne voie pour toutes les ramasser. Le prix de l'autonomie parrainé par Ford est remis à l'équipe 3986 Expresso.
The Quality Award celebrates machine robustness in concept and fabrication.
Le prix de la qualité célèbre la rigueur dans la conception et la fabrication du robot.
Excellent design and build ensured this team's robot rolled into an award, with wise application of engineering principles, leading to a great result. The judges were thunderstruck by the presentation, professionalism, and work products of this team. The Quality Award goes to Team 1511, Rolling Thunder. This team proved that they are pioneers in optimization, through the serviceability of their robot, including an open chassis design, standardization of fasteners, and tool path holes for maintenance. Using a go, no-go gauge, this team would prove that they are a go from launch. And in our eyes, they have proven that they are dynamite. The Quality Award goes to Team 250, the Dynamos.
Notre prochain prix est le prix du design industriel parrainé par GM. Voici un mot de cet autre partenaire de longue date.
Congratulations, first Robotics Industrial Design Award winner from General Motors.
This award celebrates the team that demonstrates industrial design principles, striking a balance between form, function, and aesthetics.
Le prix du design industriel parrainé par General Motors rend hommage à l'équipe qui démontre les principes du design industriel en établissant un équilibre entre la forme, la fonction et l'esthétique.
This robot gleams while shooting and climbing. The judges really sparked up when hearing about the detachable and replaceable electrical boxes. Get out your flint and steel for our industrial design winners. The Industrial Design Award, sponsored by General Motors, goes to Team 1126, Sparks. Their modular design, elegant illustrations, and iterative work process produced a sleek and effective robot. Enlisting agile project management methodology, they were able to accomplish all design goals, acting more like a company than a high school team. Dave was driving a sneaky autonomous robot into enemy territory to capture the Industrial Design Award. The Industrial Design Award goes to Team 3003, Tanks.
Cette équipe du meilleur pédigré s'est réunie pour prouver que tout est au poil. Pour eux, industriel ne signifie pas tourner les coins ronds. Chaque détail a été soigneusement pris en compte. Et chaque capteur a été intégré avantageusement. En étant à la fois fonctionnel et esthétique, le robot de cette équipe fait partie d'une niche à part. Le prix du design industriel parrainé par GM est remis à l'équipe 5439 Huskies.
When you see this team coming, their colors say tiger, but they're all black robots slinks like a panther. They hunt for improvement, even in the tiniest details, and with their meticulous design process, they built a robot with a cat's sleek beauty. When it comes to industrial design, this team lets out a great growl. The Industrial Design Award, sponsored by General Motors, goes to Team 340, Grr! The Excellence in Engineering Award celebrates the team that demonstrates a professional approach to the design process.
Le prix de l'excellence en ingénierie rend hommage à l'équipe qui démontre une approche professionnelle du processus de conception.
Creating clear upfront goals and CAD prototypes, this team didn't see red because they could easily update their wood protobot with their laser cutter before building their final aluminum bot. The Excellence in Engineering Award goes to Team 6806, Mineola Wild Reds. Combating COVID-19 lockdowns, this bionic team learned how to adapt their design process to a virtual environment. From swerve drive to shooter, this team effectively used 3D printers to tackle this year's design challenge with an elegant solution. The Excellence in Engineering Award goes to Team 1155, the Cyborgs. They're not hopping mad about their hopper, and their auto-targeting is no laughing matter. But their machine learning for power cell acquisition is excellence in engineering. The Excellence in Engineering Award goes to Team 2228, Cougar Tech. This team swerved around the field as they sought out their target. They used their 100 points robot and element analysis to guide them. In the last few seconds of a match, this bird of prey is able to teach their alliance partner how to fly. The Excellence in Engineering Award goes to Team 3419, Rowhawks.
The next award is the Rookie Game Changer Award. there were no winners of this award from our region. Le prix Recrue Game Changer célèbre le succès exceptionnel d'une équipe recrue cette saison. N'ayant pas de gagnant de cette catégorie dans notre région, nous passons au prix suivant. Le prix finaliste de la compétition d'habileté célèbre le succès exceptionnel d'une équipe dans la compétition d'habileté. Les équipes finalistes sont arrivées en deuxième place dans leur groupe. The Skills Competition Finalist Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winners of this award came in second place for the most points in their group. Bravo aux finalistes du concours d'habileté. Team 340, Greater Rochester Robotics. Team 870, Team Rice. Team 1796, Robo Tigers. Et l'équipe 3986, Expresso. Le prix gagnant de la compétition d'habileté célèbre le succès exceptionnel d'une équipe dans la compétition d'habileté. Les équipes gagnantes ont obtenu le plus de points dans leur groupe. The Skills Competition Winner Award celebrates a team's outstanding success with the skills competition. The winners of this award had the most points in their group. Congratulations to the following skills competition winners. Team 3173, Igniters. Team 3015, Ranger Robotics. Prenons un moment pour remercier nos bénévoles pour leur flexibilité et leur aide cette saison.
We need to take a moment and thank our volunteers for their flexibility in pivoting and assisting in this challenging season. And here's a reminder of the kind of event we all want to get back to next season.
Come be a volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Volunteering that we do for FRC, best time of my life. It's awesome.
At FRC events, there are more than 120 people that are committed to making a difference for everyone involved.
It's so rare to find something you're volunteering that you're so passionate about. You only find that with FIRST.
I volunteer because I genuinely love what I do, and I love to inspire kids as much as I was inspired back when I was competing.
And you make amazing friends with these other volunteers. There's networking that happens. There's on-the-job training. There's a full gamut. There's no better way to spend a weekend.
Volunteering for FIRST is an amazing experience. As an alumni of the program, I get to experience all the new teams, all the parents, all the new students, and we always have a party with everyone here.
Come join the fun.
Is there anywhere else you'd rather be than a FIRST event? Come join the fun.
Come volunteer, help build tomorrow.
Our next award is the FIRST Innovation Challenge Semi-Finalist Award, sponsored by Qualcomm. And now, let's hear from them.
Hey FIRST teams, Natalie Ducey here from Qualcomm. As this year's season presenting sponsor of the FIRST Innovation Challenge, I just want to take a moment to congratulate all of our semi-finalist teams. I hope everybody that participated in the Innovation Challenge this season really got a flavor of what innovation is all about. And I'm really looking forward to seeing the projects and the real-world solutions that teams came up with this year. Congratulations to everyone again, and we'll see you at GIA.
Semi-finalists are teams that achieve excellence by designing an innovation for this Game Changers season real-world challenge with efficient design, sound use of technology, and feasible business model, as well as a compelling business pitch. Advancing FIRST Robotics competition teams will showcase their innovative solutions in June at the 2021 Global Innovation Awards, powered by Star Wars: Force for Change. Remote event in front of FIRST strategic partners and a global audience of peers and industry leaders.
Les équipes demi-finalistes ont atteint l'excellence en développant leur innovation pour ce défi concret de la saison Game Changers par une conception efficace, une utilisation rationnelle de la technologie, un modèle commercial réalisable et un argumentaire commercial convaincant. Les équipes se qualifiant présenteront leurs solutions innovantes et se disputeront des prix au Gala Global Innovation Awards powered by Star Wars Force for Change en juin.
School district, county, and national data were used to give this team confidence that their solution can promote mental well-being. The 3 R's are redefined by this team. Using carefully crafted and cleverly integrated technology, they are able to convert a space for students to relax, reflect, and re-energize. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 578, R-Cubed, Red Raider Robotics. If you're looking for a big impact, these entrepreneurs have an idea for you. Their interactive digital platform promotes the physical and mental health of all the birds in your flock. At the same time, it builds bonds between generations that are golden and fit. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 1468, the Hicksville Jaybirds. This team reached for the stars, devising a product to help the world roll around. They launched a solution to encourage wheelchair-bound people to exercise. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 20, the Rocketeers. This team saw an opportunity to innovate a 100-year-old object. Their innovation will keep users moving while alerting of obstacles and objects ahead. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 7504, Cyberbots. Coming up with a new innovation is no walk in the park, but this team made it look easy. Their solid background and competitive research, clean UI design, and engaging and visual business pitch elevated their creative idea to make exercising a memorative, exploratory experience. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 1155, the Cyborgs. This team presented a super compelling business pitch with research that included interview and survey data from public and private schools. Their in-depth research on global market potential, competitive industry offerings, and benefits to the community at large really convinced the judges that this product will make life better for many athletes of varying abilities. This level of commitment and product promise clears the net cleanly. The first Innovation Challenge semi-finalist award goes to Team 1511, Rolling Thunder with the Fit Net.
Rappelons-nous maintenant les sages paroles de Woody Flowers, le père du professionnalisme coopératif.
Many smart people are predicting that future careers and jobs will rapidly and continuously change. In my career, for example, most of the analytical methods used for engineering analysis have dramatically changed. Artificial intelligence is suddenly becoming a very powerful tool. It's even on the verge of becoming a tool designing tool. What happens when big data and AI become potential tool makers? What happens when natural language is applied to solid modeling and stress analysis? You might soon be able to say to your screen, design a bracket to hold this wheel, keep the deflection to less than 1 millimeter as the robot collides with a stiff wall at full speed. That time is near. So what will a STEM-trained person do? What will we offer to society so society will love us? It's not likely to be commonly applied at technical analysis. However, uniquely human things like recognizing needs, being creative, acting on empathy, demonstrating leadership, designing beautiful things, those uniquely human characteristics will be even more valuable. So, those who understand the universe and understand themselves and society will be in a very powerful and satisfying position. That's good stuff.
Lors de nos tournois régionaux en personne, nous décernons les prix de bénévoles de l'année, Woody Flowers, la distinction du président et le prix de la liste de Dean Kamen. Cette saison ne fait pas exception.
At our live regionals, we typically give out the Volunteer of the Year Award, the Woody Flowers Award, the Chairman's Award, and Dean's List Awards. This season is no exception.
Les bénévoles FIRST se donnent sans relâche pour que FIRST et les événements FIRST soient un succès. Cette année, le processus de jugement à distance a été un défi énorme, mais nos bénévoles se sont surpassés et ont réussi. Avant de présenter notre prix de bénévole de l'année, nous tenons à remercier spécifiquement nos juges.
Our first traditionally submitted award is the Volunteer of the Year Award. FIRST volunteers give tirelessly to make FIRST and FIRST events happen. This year, the remote judging process was an enormous challenge, but our volunteers stepped up and conquered it. Before we present our Volunteer of the Year Award, we want to send out a huge thank you to all of our judges.
Le prix de bénévole de l'année célèbre le dévouement et le service de bénévoles vraiment exceptionnels. Le succès phénoménal de la compétition de Robotics FIRST est le reflet de l'engagement et l'enthousiasme de ceux-ci. Nous sommes vraiment émus par la passion et l'engagement de nos bénévoles. Aujourd'hui, nous honorons 4 bénévoles d'exception. Bravo et merci.
The Volunteer of the Year Award celebrates the dedication and service of truly outstanding volunteers. The phenomenal success of the FIRST Robotics competition is a reflection of the commitment and enthusiasm displayed by our volunteers. We are truly humbled by the passion and commitment of our volunteers, and today we will recognize 4 such individuals. Our warmest congratulations to ZQ. ZQ Yeo from Bloomberg has served as a coach and a pillar of the New York City FRC community for the past 9 years, also consistently volunteering for the FRC regionals. This year, ZQ not only pioneered the Romy Robot Initiative, but he also facilitated numerous workshops and offered assistance to many New York City teams, which was particularly helpful and thoughtful in a time of such dislocation. Congratulations to Jeffrey Goldmere. Jeffrey has been an advocate for FIRST in New York State for many years. Jeff has supported FIRST as a coach, mentor, judge, EAB member, and liaison for General Electric's ongoing sponsorship of FIRST in Tech Valley. When the pandemic hit and FIRST needed him most, Jeff worked to encourage team participation and helped secure and administer thousands of dollars in GE grants to support teams through this difficult season. Our next Volunteer of the Year award goes to Werner Slottick-Mahard. Werner has been a long-time volunteer on Long Island, working on all of the FIRST programs, serving primarily as judge and judge advisor. This year, not only did he serve as judge advisor on the Infinite Recharge at Home Challenge, but he worked tirelessly, recruiting volunteers to serve as judges all across the events and judging categories.
Habité par sa passion pour la conception de robots et la préparation de la relève, André se démarque par son dynamisme. Cette saison, il a consacré de nombreuses heures au développement de la version française de la documentation en ligne WPI Lib et de la plateforme de formation campus, deux initiatives servant l'entière communauté FIRST. Bravo à André Théberge. Le prix de finaliste Woody Flowers sera présenté par Mark Bredner de l'équipe 188 et gagnant du prix Woody Flowers au championnat FIRST de 2008.
Our next award is the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Presenting the award is 2008 Championship Woody Flowers Award winner, Mr. Mark Bredner from Team 188.
Greetings. My name is Mark Bredner, and I'm the proud winner of the 2008 Woody Flowers Award. I'm so glad to be with you today to announce the winner of the Woody Flowers Finalist Award for the New York and Quebec region. Woody Flowers stated, "Creative activity is one of the few self-rewarding activities. Being creative is like being in love. The love of FRC Robotics has been deep-seated in so many people for so many years. This year, we saw that love and that energy get creative with new competitive challenges. Teams this year have adjusted their methods, changed their plans, and reached for different goals as we all adapted to the challenges that the world gave us. The safety net of the change has been the FIRST mentors. Students have eloquently shared in their heartwarming Woody Flowers essays evidence of how our FIRST robotics competition mentors have continued to show their strength, dedication, and unwavering gracious support of our youth. Woody believed societies get the best of what they celebrate. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates our students by providing them a means to formally recognize their mentors with a WFA nomination. Students have an opportunity to implement gracious professionalism through high-quality work and emphasizing the value of others. Because it is a student's choice, it is so meaningful to the mentors. Because the award elevates Woody's tradition of guiding us with clarity and integrity, it's meaningful to the whole FIRST community. The Woody Flowers Award celebrates outstanding communication in the art and science of engineering and design. It was created by Dr. William Murphy in 1996, seeking to recognize the one mentor who, in the concisely communicated written words of students, demonstrates the leadership, ethical behavior, and technical communication skills that were exemplified by Woody. At each region and district awards event, one mentor will receive the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. Then one mentor will be selected from present finalists and renominated past finalists to receive the 2021 Championship Woody Flowers Award. Here in New York and Quebec region, you shared high praise for the accomplishments and dedication of your mentors and your teams. Based on your input, we now recognize the contribution of one mentor to the FIRST experience. This mentor has personally experienced much of what FIRST offers, and in turn has helped many others gain that same wide range of experience over the past decade. As an FRC and FLL mentor and key volunteer, this person has focused on making the experience of students a genuinely great one. Students provided outstanding descriptions of strong technical and personal support from this mentor, resulting in comfortable, successful, and efficient operation of the team. This is no small feat, considering that the mentor is concurrently working towards her PhD in electrical engineering. Please join us in congratulating the 2021 New York and Quebec region Woody Flowers Finalist Award winner, Lauren Brady from Team 3044.
Congratulations, Lauren. This is so well deserved. Speaking of commitment, let's take a pause before our next award presentation. We would like to acknowledge now the enduring dedication of a dear and most recognized member of the FIRST community. After decades of involvement with FIRST teams and programs in Canada, please salute soon retiring President of FIRST Robotics Canada and, as we have just seen, 2008 Championship Woody Flowers Award winner, Mr. Mark Bredner. Nous tenons à souligner l'engagement dévoué d'un membre apprécié et reconnu de la communauté FIRST. Après plus de 2 décennies d'implication auprès des équipes à déployer les programmes FIRST au Canada, saluons le départ à la retraite du président de FIRST Robotics Canada et récipiendaire du prix Woody Flowers au championnat FIRST en 2008, M. Mark Bredner. Merci pour toutes ces années, Mark. Les finalistes de la liste de Dean Kamen sont des leaders étudiants passionnés, exceptionnels et efficaces pour atteindre les idéaux de FIRST. Ils ont été nominés pour leur contribution directe et leur impact sur les autres. Un exemple de leadership et d'engagement, autant au sein de leur équipe que leur communauté. Les finalistes seront considérés pour la récompense ultime, First Dean's List Award winner.
First Dean's List finalists are outstanding, passionate student leaders who demonstrate exemplary effectiveness at attaining FIRST ideals. They were nominated by their teams for their direct contribution and impact on others, exemplifying leadership and commitment on the team and in their community. These First Dean's List finalists are moving on for consideration to be the First Dean's List Award winners. So congratulations to the following First Dean's List finalists this season. Nicole Lutt from Team 1511. Eden Katz from Team 2638. Sabrina DePaulis from Team 2638. Suchita Chanapatna from Team 2869.
Bravo! And more congratulations to Kayla Ferrigno from Team 3015. Sarah Gardner from Team 4122. Dolan Aiello from Team 6911. Kathleen O'Sullivan from Team 8603. Félicitations à tous nos finalistes.
The Chairman's Award is the most prestigious award at FIRST. It honors the team that best represents a model for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FIRST. The Chairman's Award is presented to the team judged to have the most significant measurable impact of its partnerships among its participants and community over a sustained period, not just a single build season. A winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FIRST's mission of transforming our culture. The winning teams will compete against other Chairman's Award winners for the Championship Chairman's Award.
La distinction du président est le prix FIRST le plus prestigieux. Elle honore l'équipe qui représente un modèle à suivre pour les autres équipes et qui incarne le mieux la mission et les objectifs de FIRST. La distinction du président est décernée à l'équipe ayant l'impact mesurable le plus significatif, permanent et durable des collaborations entre les participants et la communauté FIRST. Une équipe gagnante est en mesure de démontrer les progrès accomplis vers la mission de FIRST qui est de transformer notre culture. Les équipes gagnantes seront en lice avec d'autres équipes récipiendaires de la distinction du président pour le prix Championships Chairman's Award. The team we are recognizing today has fueled their passion for robotics by forging a team that is focused, like a lightsaber, on their mission to inspire an often underrepresented population to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Over the past several years, this team has found their accomplishments and team efforts to promote girls in STEM recognized in publications such as Forbes, The Washington Post, and The Bloomberg. This team of Jedi maidens with hearts of iron plans to continue leading the way to inspire girls to pursue STEM careers. A first New York and Quebec Regional Chairman's Award goes to Team 2265, Fee Maidens from Bronx, New York.
Priding itself on diversity and inclusion, more than 40% of this team's members are female. And not only do they collaborate with teams at home, they also support teams in faraway lands. 40 new team members were recruited this past season. Recruits were onboarded through the team's newbie education program, while others continue to benefit from their annual lecture series, with more than 1,000 views on Twitch and YouTube. If, in the past, you found yourself at a competition with this team, you may have come across their members while they were out on a mission or in a pit helping peers with any of their fix-it needs. And soon, many in the community will benefit from their renovated lab. The beat of this winning team has earned them the Chairman's Award. Our second New York and Quebec Regional Chairman's Award goes to Team 694, Pulse, from New York.
Much like King Arthur and his knights, this team spread far and wide to advance chivalrous values. After uniting teams in Long Island into proud alliance, they traveled forth to take the message of STEM to countries from Hungary to Tanzania and helped local teams to exchange best practices through their roundtable events. A third New York and Quebec Regional Chairman's Award goes to Team 2869, Regal Eagles from Bethpage, New York.
The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This phrase, attributed to an ancient philosopher, aptly describes this role model team. This infectious team celebrates their motto that everyone can go pro. They inspire others through hometown activities like Chalk the Walk, and they inspired the judges that they most definitely walk the walk. Finally, our fourth New York and Quebec Regional Chairman's Award goes to Team 3015, Ranger Robotics from Spencerport, New York.
En terminant, nous tenons à féliciter tous les gagnants ainsi que toutes les équipes en compétition. Et un merci spécial aux mentors et coachs de ces équipes qui ont trouvé le moyen de participer cette année. Nous tenons également à remercier tous les bénévoles qui ont été juges et conseillers aux juges. Nous n'aurions vraiment pas pu y arriver sans vous. And thank you so much, Beryl.
Merci, Carl. In closing, we would like to congratulate all the winners, as well as all the teams who competed, and a special shout out to those teams' mentors and coaches who found a way to participate this year. We would also like to thank all of the volunteers who served as judges and judge advisors. We truly could not have done this without you. In addition to all the activities required for judging the awards, you also had to navigate the remote processes required.
Malgré les défis vécus pendant cette période sans précédent, nous avons aussi eu des opportunités incroyables. Nous avons innové, nous avons surmonté, nous avons travaillé ensemble d'une manière que nous n'avions jamais imaginée auparavant. Alors, à toute notre communauté FIRST des régions New York, Québec, restez en sécurité. Faites attention à vous et merci d'être vraiment des game changers.